appreciate that very much. There's only a couple of rules on here. The first one is, it is a federal mandate that you must wear a facial covering, covering your nose and your mouth throughout the duration of the trip. I know some of you are vaccinated. I know some of you may have trouble breathing through the mask. I know it's inconvenient. I also know that it is a federal mandate, which means that if you cannot wear a mask covering your nose and mouth throughout the duration of this trip, you cannot ride the train. We will give you one warning, let you know that you need to keep your mask over your mouth and nose at all times except when you are actively eating or drinking. After that, the next station stop will be your destination. We do apologize about the strictness of this rule. However, it is federally mandated. We can get in big trouble if we do not abide by that mandate. Also, ladies and gentlemen, there are restrooms located in the rear of each coach car. I'm going to do my best to try and keep them in good condition. I would very much appreciate your help in doing that. So please, ladies and gentlemen, try and make the restrooms, leave the restrooms in good condition for the person coming along behind you. We are going to let you know in just a few minutes here, we're going to come by and put a seat check over your head. That seat check is going to tell your destination, and that is how we know that we get everybody on and off at the proper destination. Ladies and gentlemen, if you move around seats, please let an attendant or uniformed staff member know that you are asking to move seats, and we will try and accommodate you as best we can. But please, if at all possible, stay in your seat. That lets us know exactly where we have everybody going. We are going to let you know when your station stop is coming up. And when it does come up, please be prepared to detrain in a timely manner. We'll also let you know if we have any delays that might change your arrival time into your destination. We hope we don't have any delays, but if we do, we will let you know. There is a cafe car. The cafe car is located to the rear of all the coach cars. They will make an announcement when they open. They'll also make announcements when they close for meal breaks, etc. So please listen for the announcements for the lounge car. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure having you here. We're glad to have you here on the northbound train number 20. Over the next few minutes here, we're going to come by at your destination again, put that seat check over your head to make sure we get you off at the proper stop. Welcome aboard train number 20.